Installation steps of Steerlyte power steering. Step 1: Installation of Steerlyte power steering. Place the tilt mechanism mounting template supplied with installation manual on the dashboard where the tilt mechanism is to be mounted. Drill 1 big hole and 3 small holes in the center as per the template. Fix the bracket supplied with a tilt mechanism to the dashboard with the help of a hex bolt, washer, and nylock nut. Tighten the nylock nuts to the dashboard with the help of a 10 mm wrench with a torque of 20 Nm. Fix the spline adapter on the power assist unit and tighten it with the help of grub screw. Fix the clamping plate on the power assist unit with the help of 4-socket head cap screw. Fix the power assist assembly to the bracket supplied with tilt mechanism SDHP 1.0 by using 4 M8 socket head cap screws supplied with tilt. Align and insert the tilt universal joint into the spline adapter by loosening about 1 to 1.5 turns the screw on the universal joint. Retighten the screw and fix the tilt. Remove the nylock nut and washer from tilt shaft. Cover the mechanism with the top cover and secure top cover with the help of 3 pan head bolts. Also, cover the lever with the help of a plastic cap after tightening the top cover. Cover the remaining mechanism with base cover and secure base cover with the help of 2 self-tapping screws. Step 2: Installation of steering wheel. Insert the flat key into the keyway provided on the tilt shaft. Slide the steering wheel on the tilt shaft aligning the keyway and the woodruff key. Insert the washer and tighten the lock nut. Fix the trim cap at the center of the steering wheel. Step 3: Installation of front mount cylinder. Remove the nylock nut and washers from the center shaft and piston rod respectively. Disassemble the cylinder by removing support brackets, Delrin washer small, Delrin spacer big, mounting spacer, an adjustable aluminum spacer and washer. Apply marine grade grease on the center shaft and insert the center shaft into the tilt tube of the engine. Assemble the tiller hex stud assembly into the tiller plate of the cylinder. Position the engine straight so that engine arm is perpendicular to the transom. Connect the tiller arm of the cylinder to the engine arm by means of the hex stud. Tighten the nylock nut of hex stud by using a 14 mm wrench with a torque of 20 Nm. Insert the mounting spacer, Delrin spacer big, Delrin washer small and washer. With reference to the application guide, choose the correct number of washers for the tilt tube rod. In this phase, ensure that the cylinder body is centered on the piston rod and that the engine is perpendicular to the transom. Insert the right and left support brackets by connecting both the piston and support rods. Insert the washers and nylock nut on the 2 ends of the support rod and piston rod respectively. Grease the nylock nut threads with any anti-seize grease. Tighten first the center shaft nuts and then piston rod nut by using a 19 mm wrench with a torque of 70 Nm. Adjust the space on the tilt tube with the help of tightening the mounting spacers until the clearance is eliminated. Remove the center alignment tubes from the piston rod. Step 4: Battery connection. There are 2 connectors. One is the power supply blue color, and the second is ignition connector, black color. In the power supply connector, blue color, there are 3 wires. Red color, positive terminal wire, connects with the positive terminal of the battery. Black color, negative terminal wire, connects with the negative terminal of the battery. And black color thin wire, ground lead wire / earth wire, connects with any bolt of helm pump. In the ignition connector black color, there is 1 orange wire which is connected with the positive terminal wire, red color, and then connects with the positive terminal of the battery. Mount the plastic adapter of the oil filling connection kit supplied with Steerlyte on the dashboard and tighten with the help of a plastic hex nut. Remove the oil filling plug of the helm pump. Insert the plastic connector into the port of the helm pump and connect it to the plastic adapter with the help of a plastic tube. Secure the connections with the help of hose clamp. Step 5: Hose connection. Remove the thread protector caps from both the elbows of helm. Insert the hose fittings into both the elbows of helm. Tighten the hex nut on the hose fitting by using a 19 mm wrench with a torque of 15 Nm. Remove the thread protector caps from both the T-fitting hose side port of the cylinder. Insert the hose fitting from the starboard side of the helm into the port side hose fitting of the cylinder, and vice versa. Tighten the hex nut on the hose fitting by using a 19 mm wrench with a torque of 15 Nm. Ensure that all the hose fittings should be tightened properly. Hoses should not be bent in excess. The minimum hose bend radius is 100 mm per inch. Ensure that there should be no interference during engine tilting as well as no interference with the transom. Step 6: Oil filling and purging procedure. Replace the main oil bottle cap with the oil filling kit. Remove the oil filling plug of helm. Insert the threaded port of pipe into the oil filling port of helm. Turn the bottle upside down and carefully remove the other side cap of oil bottle to ease the oil passage towards the helm. Fill the helm until no air bubbles are visible in the pipe. Do not pin a hole in the bottle for air passage. The bottle is already designed for self-air passage. Remove the protector cap of both the air bleeders. Insert the smaller pipe supplied with the cylinder into the air bleeders for collecting the oil, coming out from the air bleeders during the purging process. Turn the steering wheel slowly towards the starboard side, so that the oil can come out of the hoses. The cylinder will start moving to the port side. As the cylinder reaches the extreme port side, unscrew the port side air bleeder and allow the air and oil, air bubbles, to come out from the air bleeder. Continue to turn the steering wheel towards the starboard side. When the oil comes out from the air bleeder without air bubbles, then carefully close the air bleeder. Continue to turn the steering wheel on the port side to fill the cylinder chamber. During this phase, the cylinder body will move in the opposite direction, starboard side, up to the end stroke. Repeat the above step for the port side. After completion of the purging process, remove the oil bottle, oil filling kit and oil collection kit. Insert the oil filling plug and protective caps. Step 7: Testing steering system for air. Place the engine in the center position, mid-stroke position. Manually push the engine back and forth. While pushing the engine, if the cylinder moves more than 2 mm, this indicates that there is still air remaining in the system and further purging is required. Continue the purging procedure till the displacement of the cylinder is less than 2 mm. Enjoy effortless steering with multi-steer. Bon voyage.